Congratulations on your new automatic pool cover. We're grateful you chose Protected Pools. We are proud to be a part of your backyard for years to come. You'll have received an automatic cover pump, the owner's manual, a fabric swatch for small repairs, and a blue cover blast nozzle. Keep the manual in a safe place. The pump is used to remove standing water from your pool cover. Place the pump on the closed cover and plug it into the GFCI outlet. It will turn on and off automatically. You can attach the blue nozzle or a standard garden hose to direct the discharge. If you ever need to patch a small hole, just give us a call. Before closing the pool cover, clear any power cords or debris, remove any robotic pool cleaners or floats, and turn off the pool's water features. Make sure the water level is at the middle of the tile line. The cover depends on the water beneath it for support. Low water can cause damage. To close the cover, simply unlock the switch. Now hold it in the cover position. Stay with the cover while it moves and ensure it tracks evenly. Stop at about 1 foot before fully closed, then slowly close it the rest of the way. This reduces strain on the system. Once closed, place the pump on the top if needed. Remove the key and store it in a secure place. Never leave the pool partially covered. Before reopening the pool cover, make sure any standing water has been removed. Never operate the cover with water on it. Clear off any sticks or large debris. Unlock the switch and hold it in the uncovered position. Stop the cover 2 to 3 feet before it's fully open. If needed, remove any remaining water, then slowly move the cover into the fully open position. Your cover is an added layer of protection, but it is not a substitute for supervision. Always monitor children around the pool. Do not allow anyone to walk or play on the cover. Maintain proper water levels at all times. If you add chemicals, allow them to circulate before closing the cover. If it's safe to swim, it's safe to cover. If the cover stops or moves unevenly, contact Protected Pools rather than attempting adjustments yourself. For complete manufacturer recommendations, please review the owner's manual provided. We recommend annual maintenance to inspect cables or ropes, alignment, fabric condition, and system performance. Routine service helps prevent unexpected issues and keeps your system operating smoothly. Thank you again for choosing Protected Pools. If you ever have questions or need service, we're here to help.